Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can make photo shuffle wallpaper on your iPhone. So you need an iOS 18 or upgraded. What you need to do is just go to the settings, and after going to the settings you need to find the wallpaper option here. As you can see that wallpaper is here. Just tap on the wallpaper option, and now you need to click on add new wallpaper option here. Just tap on the add new wallpaper option here, and after tapping it you see that there are some options given on the top right, on the top corner. You see that there is a photo shuffle option. Just tap on the photo shuffle option, and after tapping it will give you some options like this. So we have shuffle frequency, album, people. Like for example, iPhone has already sorted out the people and selected some photos for you, so you can use them as a home screen, lock screen wallpaper. Or you can select any of your album and change the frequency. For example, in my case I'm changing the frequency on lock, and I am selecting some manual photos for my shuffle wallpaper. So I'm adding it over. For example, here the filters, I can put some filters over it like this, add, and that's how it is actually taking into effect. Set as wallpaper pair, and now it is done. Let's check out if it works or not. I'm pressing the lock button from here. Now I'm pressing again. Okay, it works. It changes. So every time I'm pushing the lock button, it actually changes my wallpaper screen. So that's how you actually make or change the photo shuffle wallpaper on your iPhone. I hope this video helps out in setting up the photo shuffle wallpaper on your iPhone, and it works perfectly good. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.